Hey guys, Andrew King here. Welcome to module number 5 of our free affiliate marketing course. In this module, I'm going to teach you on how to build your money pages, aka landing pages or bridge pages. Now, before I start anything, before I start to show you how to build these pages, I highly recommend for you to go back up and watch the fourth module because it's so important. You can't go through the fifth module without watching the fourth module because I'm going to show you all the tools you need. So if you haven't watched the fourth module, please go ahead and do that. And it's really important that you have your website set up by now. If you have a website, that's cool. If you don't, I have shared with you the best hosting in the previous video, which is Bluehost. Now, if you click on the link right here, I'm gonna get a simple commission. If you decided to purchase Bluehost, it's very cheap. It's like $65 per year, and they host your website. It's the fastest so far, and Google uses Bluehost. So it shows you how powerful this hosting is. Plus you get a free domain, so you get this hosting and you can install WordPress in one click because we're going to be using WordPress to build our pages. Now the next thing I want you to do is go ahead and pick up Thrive Architect for $5. If you already have Thrive, that's really good. If you don't, Thrive Architect is gonna be the plugin that we are gonna use to build these pages. Now Thrive costs like $67 or $97 per year, but you can go ahead in Fiverr and type in Thrive Architect and you can get this amazing plugin for just $5. So this guy will install Thrive Architect with his agency license on your WordPress site for $5. Remember guys, this plugin costs more than $67 per year. So he's gonna install it for free or for $5. It's basically really cheap and it's lifetime access to this plugin, so you can build these pages really quickly. Now you can do that by the link. I have included a link for you to go and buy Thrive Architect right here. It will take you directly to Fiverr. All you have to do is type in Thrive Architect and then choose this guy right here. I'm not promoting him. I just want you to get this plugin so we can get started. You can choose any one right here, but these guys are like $10, $20. This guy is the cheapest and he has a lot of good reviews, so you can go and pick up Thrive Architect. Now once you do that, once you go ahead and install WordPress inside your Bluehost, once you get your Bluehost hosting or any hosting that you have, if you have a hosting, just go ahead and install WordPress. Once you install WordPress, all I want you to do is go to plugins right here, hover over it, click on installed plugins, and you will see that try a Thrive Architect installed right here. Once you pick up this Fiverr gig from this guy, and once you have that installed, I want you to install another plugin. It's called Title Remover. Don't worry, it's 100% free. You don't have to buy anything or you don't have to buy it. So you're gonna go to add new right here, and then at the search bar I want you to type Title Remover, and this is the plugin. All you have to do is click on install now, just like this right here, and then you're gonna click on activate and the plugin is gonna be activated. Now this is gonna help us a lot. I'm gonna show you what this plugin will do for you. Now let's go to pages and click on all pages. Now I'm gonna show you some landing pages that I have created myself. So here we go guys, as you can see, these are the landing pages that I have created. I'm going to show you on how to create them in just a second. You can create these pages in less than 10 minutes. Now if you want my pages, I'm going to give you the source code so you can import them right directly throughout Thrive. So you go to Thrive and you can import this landing page and you can put it on your page and start getting leads. You can create any type of landing page, even if you aren't in the make money online niche. You can create pages just like this in less than 5 minutes. So all you have to do first is go and click on add new right here where it says pages. Just click on add new. Then we're gonna name our landing page. For example, I'm gonna name my landing page. For example, I'm gonna name it free give, which stands for free giveaway. Now, once I do that, I'm gonna disable the sidebar. It depends on your team if it has a sidebar or not. If it has, just click on sidebar right here and click on no sidebar. And the next thing I want you to do is click on these three. Just check these boxes right here. Don't touch the content layout. Leave it at default. Then you're gonna scroll down, and once you install, like I said, you install title remover, just click on hide title. I'm gonna show you the problem that is gonna show up if you don't click on hide title. I'm gonna publish and I'm gonna show you the page. So I'm gonna open this page in a new tab. As you can see, the title will show up on this page. So we have to hide the title. All you have to do is scroll down and click on hide title, and then we're gonna click on update. Now once we view the page right here, as you can see, there's no title, so we can get started and start building our pages. Now all you have to do is click on launch Thrive Architect, and Thrive will load up really quick. As you can see, these pages are really quick and easy to build. Thrive right here is a drag and drop builder, so all you have to do is drag elements and you can build your page within 10 minutes. It's really quick. It's really basic. So I'm gonna build a page that looks just like this. All you have to do is click on plus, and then you can drag elements right here through your page. So for example, I'm gonna drag a text. I'm gonna add a text first, then I'm gonna add another text right here. Then I'm gonna do an opt-in form just like I did here. So we have text, then an opt-in form. Then I'm gonna show you how to get this urgency bar. If you want to, of course, this will increase your conversions 6 times or 600%. Now I'm gonna add an opt-in form. I'm gonna scroll down and find lead generation. I'm gonna drag it and put it right under the text. As you can see, we have our lead generation right here. I'm gonna show you how to set this up to look as nice as this one right here or this one. These are multiple templates that I have built myself within less than 10 minutes. So let's go back right here, and below this, as you can see, I have an urgency bar right here. Now I got this from Urgency Suites Pro. I'm gonna leave the link to Urgency Suites Pro down below. This is a tool by Brendan Mays which helps you create urgency bars just like this, and you can add them to your websites to create urgency and make like 600% more conversions. So if your page is converting at 50%, with this right here, it will boost up your conversions 6 times more. So it will convert at 300%, which is really crazy. Now I'm gonna show you how to add this. Once you pick up Urgency Suites Pro, if you decided to do that, I highly recommend you do that because it will boost your conversions, but it's not necessary. If you don't wanna have an urgency bar or a countdown timer, because it comes with a countdown timer as well. I'm gonna show you how to use the countdown timer in another video. In this video, I'm gonna stick to showing you on how to use this urgency bar. So let's say we have 5 spots available, which is the total spots, and then let's say 3 spots are gone, and then here you can choose the color for the bar right here. You can also choose the size of this bar. I'm gonna leave it a large, and you can choose the animation, either a wave, a light, a glint or a strip, as you can see here. Now it's gonna give you this bit of code right here and this one right here. All you have to do is copy the first one, then go right here and you're gonna click on the plus, scroll down and find the HTML, custom HTML right here. We're gonna drag it wherever you want to put it in this page. So I'm gonna put it at the bottom of the lead generation. Then I'm gonna insert my code. Then I'm gonna click enter. And then I'm gonna copy the second bit of code right here, which is this one. I'm gonna copy it. Then I'm gonna go back to this page and I'm gonna paste it. And then I'm gonna click on save, and as you can see we have our urgency bar. You can also edit the color of the text that shows right here. So if I want the green color, I can add a green color here, and all I have to do is copy this code right here and replace it with the code that I just inputted. So I'm gonna replace it with the second code. I'm gonna leave the first code as it is, and I'm gonna click on save. And as you can see, the color has changed to green, which looks congruent. Now I'm gonna show you on how to edit your lead generation in another video, because you have to get your API key or you can get your HTML code for your lead generation. Now, all you have to do is build your title that entices people to go ahead and opt in. I'm just gonna copy this title because it's already pre-made, and I'm gonna paste it right here. Then you're gonna select the text, and you have a lot of customization to do. You can select the size right here by increasing the size or decreasing the size. I'm just gonna choose the same size I chose in here, which is gonna be about 36. Then I'm gonna make this text in the middle. All you have to do is align it in the center, just like this. You can also choose the font. You're gonna click here. You can choose the source, the font. You can do all sorts of customization. So I'm just gonna choose Arial right here and click on apply. You can also change the color by selecting the text that you wanna color, and then you're gonna click on color, and then you're gonna choose your color and click on apply. And then as you can see, the color has been changed successfully, and you can do all the customization you want. You can add whatever you want to this page. I like to keep it simple. I like to give people a headline that will get their interest. Then I will tell them what they need to do in order for them to get my free course or case study or whatever I am offering. So please enter the real information below to get instant access. Copy that and paste it right here. You can do the exact same thing I'm doing. All you have to do is do as I showed you. It's really simple. Just add text. You can add elements right here by dragging and dropping them. You can add a countdown timer, which will increase the urgency. But we have already added this urgency bar right here, which will entice people to put in their email and everything they need to know. All you can do next is click on save right here, and the page will be saved. Let's go ahead and preview our page that we just created. As you can see, we have created a really good looking, nice looking landing page in less than 10 minutes, which is really good. Now, in the next few videos, I'm gonna show you on how to add your autoresponder. So once people opt in, they will receive an email. I'm gonna show you how to set up your follow-up emails and how to link that up to your funnel, how to test your funnel, and all sorts of great stuff. Basically, the next page that we need to create is gonna be our thank you page. Now, once you save this right here, I'm gonna give you this template for free. I'm gonna give you my HTML code right here. So I'm gonna copy this, and then I'm gonna click on exit. I'm gonna delete everything, if you want my HTML code, you don't have to do all the things I did right here. All you have to do is come through. Once you open up the page right here, you click on Launch Thrive Architect. It's gonna look something like this. You're gonna go here to settings, then click on View HTML, and you're gonna paste in the HTML code I give you. Then you're gonna click on enter, and here we go. Your page is already set up. All you have to do is customize the title, and you can customize and edit your opt-in form, and that's it. You click on save and you are ready to go. Now let's go to our second page that we need to build, which is gonna be the thank you page. Now I'm gonna show you an example of the thank you page. Okay, let's go here. Let's go back to the dashboard, to the pages, all pages. This is our thank you page. I'm sorry this video took more than 17 minutes, but I could have just tell you some rubbish about building simple landing pages that will convert, or I could have redirected you to one of these products that will help you create automated landing pages and all that crap, but I want to show you some real value, and if you want to succeed, you have to implement all this stuff that I'm telling you right now, because you have to put in the work and you have to make your own landing pages, to be creative, you have to brand yourself, you have to do all this stuff in order for you to succeed online, or you'll be just one of these guys that is lost in this make money online world, and you will never make any money online. So I'm gonna wait for it to load up. My internet is a bit slow, I don't know why. Okay, here we go. So I'm gonna show you the example of the landing page or the thank you page that we are gonna build. It's gonna be really simple. It's gonna thank people for taking action and tell them to check their inbox. And then I offer another free gift, which is my free CPA course. You can offer another free report or anything, and you can redirect them to Messenger. I'm gonna show you how to build a page that looks just like this in less than 5 minutes. So we're gonna go again and click on add new page right here, and then I'm gonna call it TY. I'm just gonna call it TY, which stands for thank you, or thank you page. Let's add a page. Then I'm gonna do the same settings I did for the last page. I'm gonna select all these, then I'm gonna hide the sidebar, I'm gonna click on no sidebar, and I'm gonna click on hide title, click on publish, then I'm gonna click on launch Thrive Architect. I'm gonna wait for it to load up, and I'm gonna grab my landing page or thank you page right here. So all we have here is a bunch of text, then we have a button, and I have an image. It's optional. You don't have to put your image or your face right here. You can just do this and put a button or a link redirecting people to some sort of a gift page. It's gonna be your free gift right here. So the page is already loaded up. I'm gonna click on plus, and I'm gonna add a text. Then I'm gonna add another text, because this is a heading number 1 and this is like a paragraph text. So I'm gonna add the first text right here. You can create your own. You're gonna be creative with this, because I'm not gonna give you a script. However, you can copy my landing page, then tweak it and make it look your own. You can put your own touch on it. I'm gonna copy this. I have already done that. I'm gonna copy the second text right here, which is this one. Then I'm gonna make this in the middle, this as well. I'm gonna center it. I'm gonna make this bigger, so I'm gonna click on paragraph, and then I'm gonna click on heading number 1. I can choose the color right here. I'm gonna click on color, then I'm gonna choose blue, and I'm gonna drag it to here. Click on apply. You can choose whatever color you want, customize your page. This is your thank you page. You can edit it as you want. Here I'm gonna put a paragraph or a heading. Let's do plain text, and let's make it a bit bigger. Not that big. Yes, like this. This looks good. Maybe a little less. Okay, this looks really good. I'm gonna put a space right here and another space, or maybe leave this right here. Here you're gonna put your name, whatever your name is, Martin Luther King, whatever. Just put your name here and your email. You can go back and edit this once you have your autoresponder set up. You're gonna put your email so that people know that they are gonna receive an email from you, and they're gonna check their inbox. You're gonna tell them to check their inbox, promotion, or spam folder, and they should receive an email from you, which is gonna be your name and your email address that is gonna send the email within 5 minutes. Meanwhile, you can click here to collect your free CPA course. This is gonna be your freebie, so you can offer a free report about something depending on your niche. Now, the last thing we're gonna add to this page is gonna be a button. Like I said, you can add an image as well. This is optional. I have built this with Photoshop. It's really simple. I just put my image and I put a text right beside it, and I have inputted my image right here just to brand myself. Now we have the button right here that says click here to get your free CPA course. So we're gonna collect people's leads. This time I'm gonna collect these leads on Messenger, so I can message them on Messenger right afterwards. And this is really optional, but this will help you so much grow in your business, considering that Messenger open rates are so much higher than email open rates. So this will boost your conversions and marketing. It will make your marketing really simple and really easy. I'm gonna show you how to set up ManyChat later on this course. You can edit this button right here. You can edit the text by clicking on it, and let's say get instant access via Messenger. Then I'm gonna select this text and I'm gonna click on the color. I'm gonna make it white. Then I'm gonna click on OK or apply. And as you can see, it's already applied. You can also add your link right here, your target link, your ManyChat link. Send them an automated message on Messenger. I'm gonna show you on how to do that later on this course. You can also change the color of your button, so you can make it blue, red, whatever you want. Let's say I want to make it red. I like the color blue, but you can choose whatever color you want, and then you're gonna give them access to the free report via this button. So you're gonna embed your free report inside your ManyChat autoresponder, which is a messenger autoresponder, and you're gonna send them their free report. Then I'm gonna click on save, and as you can see, I have successfully built this page in less than 10 minutes. I know I said it took 5 minutes, but if you do this without talking, because I'm teaching you how to build it, if you do this without if you do this like I showed you, you will be able to build it in less than 5 minutes. Now I'm gonna remove the space and let's click on save, and we have our landing page ready. I'm just gonna make this a bit more bigger so it's grabbing attention. Then I'm gonna click on save, and here we go. Our thank you page is already set up like I did with the landing page. I'm also gonna give you, excuse the noise in the background, like I said, I'm gonna give you this template for free. So I'm gonna click on import landing page, or I'm sorry, I'm gonna click on advanced settings, and then I'm gonna click on view HTML. I'm gonna give you this HTML code for you to implement it. All you have to do is, uh, if you don't want to follow my steps and build it from scratch, just come through to the page right here, click on launch Thrive Architect, and then the page is gonna look like this. It's empty. All you have to do is click on the settings button and click on view HTML and paste the HTML code. Click on OK, and here we go. You have my landing page ready. Just tweak it, add your name, add your email, and add your free report or freebie that you are gonna give away, and add the link right here, and you are set. So I hope you understand everything. If you have any questions, don't hesitate to come through our Facebook group and leave a post, and I'll answer you as soon as I see it. Now that's basically how to build your landing page and thank you page. The next thing you need to build is going to be your deliver page, which is going to be your course page. In my case, it's this one. It doesn't have to be this long. You don't have to make like 23 or 25 videos just like I did. I did this because the affiliate marketing niche has a lot to you have a lot of things to learn about. Plus the traffic modules took a lot of my time to make, so I decided to make a full-on course. You don't have to do this. You can just make one simple video teaching people to do something, giving out value, and you can give it away just like I'm about to show you. So you're gonna click on add new page, and let's say this is your delivery, so free course, or let's say free case study giveaway, and then you're gonna click on here and click on no sidebar, and click on these three, on this one, and click on publish. So we have our thank you page ready. I'm gonna close it out now right now, and I'm gonna click on launch. So we're gonna make our delivery page. I'm gonna show you on how to link your landing page, thank you page, and delivery page. If you are watching this video up until this minute, I'm telling you, you are gonna succeed if you start implementing. Please, I know most of people who are taking this course are not taking it seriously or are not taking action. Please be one of the action takers. If I get one or two students who will succeed by following my instructions, I will be really, really happy. Now, like I said, we have the free case study giveaway. I'm gonna add a simple welcome text right here, as I'm doing in my free course. So I'm gonna paste the text, and then all I have to do is add a video, which is the video case study. I'm gonna add another text, then I'm gonna add a video. right here. So thank you for thanks for taking action. I'm gonna put it in the middle, make it a bit bigger. And welcome to your free case study. Here to green, and I'm gonna make it bold. Well, not all the text bold, but just this part right here. Or you know what, let's do it all bold. Looks good. Then I'm gonna add, here is your case study video. I'm gonna center this right here. I'm gonna put a line under it, and I'm gonna make it a bit bigger. I'm gonna change the font. And then I'm gonna insert a simple YouTube video. Let's say this is our case study video. So I'm just gonna click on here and I'm gonna copy this link and I'm gonna paste it in here. As you can see, this is our delivery page and I'm gonna click on save. I have built this in 3 minutes, 4 minutes maximum. So all your pages will take you less than, let me say 20 to 25 minutes to build. In the next few videos, I'm going to show you on how to link all these pages, how to send people to your thank you page using your email autoresponder, and how to make this system work. I hope you like this video. If you have any questions, don't hesitate to hit me up in the Facebook group and I will answer you as soon as I see your question. And stay tuned for the module number 6. See you in a few minutes or few moments.